Every day brings a choice to practice stress or to practice peace. I'm Shilpa, and today I'm going to guide you through a short meditation to relieve your stress and anxiety. This would especially benefit you if you feel pulled in all directions. So let's begin. Start by finding a comfortable space. Sit comfortably with your spine erect and close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Begin to notice the length of your breath. If you're breathing too fast, slow down your breath. If you're breathing too shallow, try to breathe in through your belly. If you're carrying tension in any part of your body, consciously release the tension, especially between your eyebrows, in your shoulders. Unclench your jaw, relax your back, relax your hands, and relax your whole lower body. Now bring your focus back to your breath. And now I want you to imagine as if you are a container. A container with open ends. So you can consider your body as a container with an open ends. And now whatever you are carrying in your mind, in your body, in your consciousness, I want you to imagine that all of it is leaving your body. So as we are considering your body as an open container, so it has no place, there's no place for it to hold anything. So in the same way, I want you to consider your mind and body as an open container with no thoughts. There are no emotions, there are no feelings, there's nothing, just empty it all. And as you take your next breath, I want you to just, like a river flowing effortlessly, I want you to allow these thoughts, emotions, feelings, any situations that you're carrying to completely flow from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. So allow it to go and pass it easily. While doing so, keep your body relaxed and keep your focus on your breath. And as you begin to empty everything, I want you to notice this empty space within you. Keep your focus on your breath. And very gently become aware of the sounds around you. Gently move your hands and your legs a bit. And once you're ready, open your eyes. I hope you're feeling more relaxed and peaceful now. Continue continue your day feeling very relaxed, and repeat this if necessary throughout the day. Thank you.